So this is a really dumb scam, and I don't even know how it worked for so long. But in other cybercrime news, we have two Chinese nationals who are taking advantage of Apple's very generous return policy, where if you buy a phone and something is wrong with it, then they'll allow you to return it for a certain period of time. So what they were doing, I guess, was like cobbling together like broken iPhones that never worked and then spoofing the IMEI number so that when they returned them, they were able to exchange them for real functioning iPhones. So they did this not one time, but 6,000 times, which generated $2.5 million and allowed them to scam Apple out of functioning phones by sending them effectively junk ones with spoofed ID numbers. So this is a pretty audacious scheme. And again, I'm not really sure how they got away with it for so long. 6,000 is a lot of junk iPhones to exchange for real ones, but maybe in the churn of being a giant global corporation, like that just doesn't get noticed for a while. But either way, again, one of those cyber fraud crimes that kind of goes unnoticed, but I thought was one of the more interesting stories this week.